Add this to your coffee for seniors to rebuild muscles fast. Do you believe that with just one familiar cup of morning coffee, your muscles could feel stronger, your joints less painful, and your energy steady throughout the day? I know it sounds too simple, but in over 20 years of working with people over 50, I have seen this happen again and again, and it starts with a concept you may have heard of. Sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle with age. Have you noticed how easy climbing stairs used to be, and how heavy it feels now, or how carrying a grocery bag can suddenly feel exhausting? Many people think this is unavoidable, but the truth is that our bodies still have the ability to recover, as long as we care for them at the right time and in the right way. I want you to imagine this. Each morning, instead of drinking coffee only for alertness, you are giving your muscles a chance to be nourished and awakened after a full night of rest. You do not need expensive supplements. With just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can create a clear difference in your health. In this video, I will show you 3 essential ingredients, along with 2 small but powerful secrets that can help restore muscle, improve joints, and keep your energy steady after 60. This is not just theory. These are real methods I have used with hundreds of patients and seen true results. If you care about your health after 60, click subscribe and share this video so more people can benefit. Because sometimes, one small habit can transform our entire health journey. The first ingredient I want to share with you is dark cacao, a simple powder that brings surprising strength to muscles after 60. In many studies, cacao has been shown to boost muscle protein synthesis by up to 25%. This means your muscles absorb nutrients better, recover faster, and maintain strength for longer. Cacao also improves circulation, so every cell in your body receives oxygen and energy. The best time to use cacao is within 30 minutes of waking. At that moment, your body is like an engine just starting up, in need of clean, efficient fuel. Just 1 spoonful of cacao in your morning coffee gives your body a powerful start to the day. I remember the story of Helen, a 67-year-old patient. She used to complain that even climbing a few stairs left her exhausted, but after 3 weeks of adding cacao to her coffee, she returned and said, "Dr. Wells, I can climb the stairs now without holding the railing." The joy in her eyes reminded me that small changes can bring big results. If you find this information useful, leave a comment and tell me. Have you ever tried adding cacao to your morning coffee? I would love to hear your experience. The next ingredient I want to share with you is medium-chain triglycerides. This is a special type of fat, different from the oils and fats we normally use. The interesting thing is that when it enters the body, medium-chain triglycerides can be converted into energy almost immediately, instead of being stored as fat. For people over 60, it works like a clean fuel, helping maintain steady endurance throughout the day without the afternoon energy crash. However, I always remind my patients not to start with too much. The body needs time to adapt. The best way is to begin with just half a teaspoon in your morning coffee and increase gradually. Even in small amounts, you will feel the difference. Clearer focus, steady energy, and more stamina all day long. I remember Linda, 65 years old. She often complained that after only 1 hour of playing with her grandchildren, she was exhausted and needed to lie down. But after adding medium-chain triglycerides to her morning routine, just a few weeks later she came back smiling and said, "Dr. Wells, now I can play with my grandchildren all day and still have energy for housework." That kind of change is real joy, not just for Linda, but also for me, seeing how a small adjustment can mean so much. Do not forget to like this video if you also want more energy like Linda. The last ingredient I want to share with you is collagen peptides. This may sound like a complicated scientific term, but it is simply a form of protein that has been broken down so your body can absorb it more easily. I often tell my patients that collagen is like the connective thread holding everything together: skin, hair, joints, and muscles. When we are young, our bodies produce plenty of collagen, which is why we move easily and recover quickly. But after age 50, production drops significantly. Have you ever woken up and felt stiff joints, unable to stretch your legs or arms easily? That is your body telling you it is running low on collagen. In my work, I have seen this many times. One patient, Robert, age 70, complained that his knees hurt so much he could no longer kneel to tend his garden. Gardening was his joy, his place of peace after years of work. I suggested he try collagen peptides in his morning coffee. Because the collagen is already hydrolyzed into short chains, it is absorbed quickly and delivered where the body needs it most. After just over a month, Robert returned with a big smile and said, "Doctor, I can care for my tomato plants again without pain." His story reminded me that even small things can change the quality of life. From a scientific point of view, collagen does more than make skin look younger. It is like the glue that keeps joints flexible and muscles mobile. I often compare it to the beams of a roof. If they are strong, the structure stands firm. If collagen in the body declines, every movement becomes harder. That is why daily collagen supplementation in the morning matters so much. Imagine waking up one morning, stepping out of bed without stiffness, moving easily, and still having the strength to work in your garden or walk with your grandchildren. That is not a distant dream. It is possible when you give your body the right support. If you truly care about your joint health and want to enjoy an energetic later life, consider collagen peptides as a small gift to yourself each morning. And to keep walking this journey with me, learning practical ways to stay strong and healthy in your golden years. Remember to click subscribe. Together, we will step forward with more confidence and vitality. There's one principle I always repeat to my patients. The right timing is just as important as the right ingredient. And many people think that as long as they get enough protein and nutrients, the body will automatically absorb and build muscle. But that's not exactly true. Our bodies run on a natural rhythm, and if you know how to catch the golden window, the results multiply. Think of it this way. After a full night's sleep, your body is like an engine that has been running without fuel. When you wake up, your muscles are in a protein, hungry state. That's the moment they're craving nutrients to begin repair and growth. Science calls this the peak anabolic phase, which usually happens within the first 30 minutes after you get out of bed. If you miss that window, your body's ability to use protein for muscle repair drops significantly. I remember a patient, Margaret, age 66. She told me she was drinking whey protein regularly, but wasn't seeing any progress. When I asked more, I discovered she was waiting until mid-morning after breakfast to drink it. I suggested she switch her routine, enjoy her coffee with cacao, collagen peptides, or whey protein within 30 minutes of waking. Just 3 weeks later, she called me and said, "Doctor, I feel stronger, and my steps are more steady." The change wasn't the type of protein, it was the timing. This reminds us of a powerful truth. Timing can matter more than dosage. You can take plenty of protein, but if you take it at the wrong time, your body won't use it efficiently. On the other hand, if you fuel your muscles when their doors of absorption are wide open, even a small amount makes a big impact. So next time you hold your morning coffee, remember, it's not just a familiar habit. It's an opportunity to nourish your muscles and protect your independence. When do you usually drink your coffee? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your routine. Now, when it comes to health, many people set perfect goals, drinking every single day, following each step exactly, never missing. But life rarely lets us be perfect. What truly matters is consistency over time, not short bursts of perfection. Here's a simple example. If you drink this muscle, supporting coffee 5 days a week for a month, your results will be far better than drinking it every single day for 1 week and then quitting. Our bodies don't need perfection. They need steady repetition, like drops of water forming a flowing stream. From my experience, the changes come in stages. In the first week, most patients report having more energy, without the usual afternoon slump. By the second week, many notice better balance, steadier walking, less wobbling, and by weeks 3 to 4, the magic happens. Muscles feel stronger. Standing up, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries becomes much easier. I remember one gentleman in his 70s who told me, "Doctor, I can't follow your plan perfectly, but I manage 4 or 5 days a week, and still, I feel real progress in my body." His story proves that consistency is the golden key, not perfection. So if you miss a day, don't be hard on yourself. Just get back on track the next morning. Your body counts every effort, and the results come naturally. If you agree that persistence matters more than perfection, click subscribe so we can build healthy, lasting habits together in our golden years. Now, looking back on today's journey, I want you to clearly remember the essentials. There are 3 simple ingredients anyone can add to their morning coffee: dark cacao, collagen peptides, and medium chain triglyceride oil. On their own, they may seem small, but combined, they create a foundation for rebuilding muscle strength, protecting joints, and fueling steady energy all day. But ingredients alone aren't enough. The results depend on 2 extra secrets. First, drink at the right time within 30 minutes of waking, when your body is most ready to absorb protein. Second, Stay consistent. You don't need perfection. Just steady practice week after week, and your body will respond with visible change every morning when you lift your cup of coffee. Remember, you're not just drinking a daily habit, you're giving your body the chance to restore muscle, build energy, and protect your independence, something we all want after 60. If you found today's message helpful, share this video with a friend or loved one over 60. Sometimes one small suggestion can help someone rediscover the strength they thought was gone. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss the next health secrets we'll be uncovering together. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me today. Wishing you health, happiness, peace, and joy. See you in the next video.